Wednesday, August the 29th, Algebra 1, first period. Warm-up quiz is up first. Number 1. Everybody had 15. That's the right answer. Number 2. Everybody had the right answer. That's 10. Number 3. You have to do 5 squared first to get 25. You can pick up 32 divided by 4 to get 8, and then add them together to get 33. Number 4. Go to the parentheses first and do 4 times 5 to get 20. And then that'll give you a 23. Multiply by 2. Answer's 46. Last one. Everybody had 39. That's the right answer. Bring up a number from 1 to 10. The winning number today is 8. Next up is the homework check. You'll take it back to the desk in the order that I call your name. Time for the homework answers. Bring up 1 to 3. Answers to 1, 2, and 3 are greater than, equal to. Bring up 4, 5, and 6. Answers to 4, 5, and 6 are equal to, greater than. Bring up 7, 8, and 9. Answers for 7, 8, and 9 are less than, greater than, and equal to. Correction on number 9. Number 9 should be less than. Bring up 10, 11, and 12. Answers to 10, 11, and 12 equal, less than, greater than. Everybody had that right. So that's 10. Bring up 13 through 15. Answers for 13, 14, and 15 are greater than, less than. 3 of them. All right, everybody had that. Another 10 million. Are there any questions about the homework? All right, the objective for today is still the second card on the wall, 9th grade number sense and operations number 2. Yesterday, we compared. Today, you're going to order from least to greatest. And that means the learning target for today is to order from least to greatest. And we'll just write order and go least to greatest. All right, example problem number 1. 0.25, 1 over 8, and 0.76. We have to figure out which one is the least and write that one first. You want to put them all in the same form so they're easier to manipulate. So on your calculator, you may want to find out what 1 divided by 8 is, and that is 0.125. So now which one is the least up here? 0.125. 0.125 is the least. So that one's gone. And now what's the next highest one? Yeah, 0.25, and then that leaves you with 0.76. Example number 2. 1 and 1/2, 1.48, 7 over 8. Which one is the least?
1/2.
there any? 7 over 8 would be the least one, because this is 1 or over, that's 1 or over, this is less than 1. So we've used that. Now, which one is the second highest? 1.48 is the next one, and that leaves you with 1.5. Practice problem number 1. Solution for the practice problem. This is 0.333 and so on. And then this is 0.5. Okay, so the least one on this would be 0.3. And then the next one up would be 0.3 repeating, and then 1/2 or 0.5, whichever you wrote. Time for a bonus problem. Less than, greater than, or equal to 3 7/8 compared to 3 5/6. Solution for the bonus should be greater than. This one I believe is 0.875, 3.875. And then over here, 3.83 repeating, I believe, without looking at the calculator. Bonus problem number 2. 3 times the quantity squared of 1 plus 3. Answer should be 48. Everybody had that. Practice problem number 2. 3 over 4, 5 over 6, 3 over 8. For the practice problem, let's put all these fractions into the same denominator. So what is the lowest number that 4, 6, and 8 will all go into evenly? 24 is the lowest number, so if I put a 24 here on each of these and then go back and multiply, what am I doing here? Times 6, so this would be 18. What am I doing here? Times by 4, so that is a 20, a very poorly written 20. And this is what? Times 3, so this is a 9. So now which is the least fraction on there? 3/8. And then which is the next highest? 3/4, and then we're left with 5 over 6. Bonus problem. Negative 7 over 8 compared to a negative 1 over 4. On the bonus, a negative 7 over 8, not the absolute value of a negative 7 over 8, is greater than the absolute value of a negative 1 over 4. If that doesn't make any sense to you, then we'll go on to the number line here. Here is 1, or I should say a negative 1. Negative 1/4 is here. And then negative 7 over 8 would be approximately there. This is further away from 0 than this one is, so this is less than. Practice problem number 3. 3 over 5, 0.17, 2 over 7. The solution for the practice. For 3 over 5, that's 0.6, and then of course this is already in a decimal form. And then you have 2 over 7. Find that on the calculator and come back with 0.28 rounded. We'll just leave it as 0.28. It's actually 0.285, but we won't round up. There's no need to here. So now the lowest one is going to be 0.17. The next highest one is 2 over 7. And then the highest one is 3 over 5. Bonus problem. 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times 3 minus 1. For the bonus, 4 plus, and then do the 8 divided by 2 to get 4, and then times 3 to get 12. 16 minus 1 is 15. Homework assignment is up next.